take my knee out, and then sometimes I can hit a cutter from there. What happens is I get to this guard, and maybe I'm trying to grab his hand, or I got his hand, I don't have that good of a grip. So some people, they grab your foot here, and then they shove your foot in, then they pass your guard or stuff it or go here. So it's pretty common that a guy's reaction to this is to grab your foot. So when he grabs your foot, what I'm gonna do is, go back one. He grabs my foot, I hold it, and I pass it to my other hand. See that? Now there's a couple ways to do the same move. Sometimes, if I am able to get a good grip with my hand, I push his head down, touch here, slide up, touch the arm. Sometimes, if I'm cool, I get this grip here and I shove my foot through. Now I have a chance to get room. Then I grab and go for it. There's a lot of pressure on his arm, so you gotta, don't yank back hard at all. Just kind of gradually go here. So that's like a move that happens when he just grabs for your foot and I get this. So I'm holding his wrist, he grabs for my foot, and I have enough time to shoot my arm in and hold his wrist, push and go. Or I'm here and I'm lanky, I shove my foot in and I get it from here. Guys that are, good at weird little submissions, there's a cutter from here if your arms are long. So I'm here, I take my knee out, and then sometimes I can hit a cutter from there. You see it? So I'm here, so I'm pulling his hand up, I flex, and I'll get the cutter from here. Or, you see the cutter grip from there.
So what's under pressure with that?
His elbow.
Okay.
It's like, imagine I took an iron big rod, put it here, and then close his hand real hard on it, separates the elbow.
You show it 3 more times.
Yeah, that's what I need. So let me do this on Alex real quick. Now,
Got those little bits on.
Alex has got the baby arms, baby muscles. Alex would say he's cut up, he's shredded. I would call that lack of muscle. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Lack of, he needs to eat. What are they had some strong man, and somebody asked him, they were like, how are you so strong? You don't have a 6-pack. And he was like, 6-pack doesn't help with strength, it just means you didn't eat. And I was like, cool, man. Does help with cardio though. So I'm here in this position, I'm holding, I'm here, boom, grip. So if he goes back for my foot, I reach and I hold, okay? Pass, boom, lock up, okay? Now, my other options for this same thing is this. Watch, here, I stick my foot through, his hand's caught, I let go, pull through, switch to the triangle from here. This is just weird ass crap to do here. Sometimes I can get the cutter, I get the cutter grip. Sorry. There's a cutter grip from here, pull up, sometimes I'll push, I have to get that. Okay. Alright. Your ear. Put my thumb in your ear. You can't reach because my foot's got it. Alright. Good job, y'all.
Everybody made it deeper.